Hi friends! So guys, I am so excited for today's video and I don't even know why. Today we're going to be doing a hair tutorial, a hair video, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. But as you can see, I am just out of the shower and I'm going to do my hair with you. So today I'm going to be using a hot air brush. I will say that I've actually used this brush once before and it was a fail. But I've recently seen people with short hair try these out and that's what got me into it, because recently I've been trying my hardest not to wear wigs. I'm trying to get out of that phase. I'll always have my wigs, I'll always wear them, but I want to start to embrace like my own hair. Like, I really like the length that it is at the minute, but I don't know what to do with it. It just sits at the side of my face like sucked leaks and it has no body, no life, no nothing, or else it's just in like a wee top knot bun at the top of my head. What I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be trying to give my hair some body, some movement and some volume. I'm also going to be trying this with rollers, like these wee velcro rollers, because as I was saying there, I have used this before, so this isn't like a first impressions or anything. It dried my hair really nice. It was nice and sleek, but it didn't give me much movement and it didn't give me any body at all. So yeah, I will link this down below if I can find this. This was I think 16 or 17 pounds off eBay, but it is actually quite good because I'm going to give you just a wee close up. So as you can see, it kind of has like that oval shape. It has the two different sets of bristles. Obviously has your normal bristles with the pink tip. These bristles are great for detangling if you have long hair. And if I give you another wee close up, you can see there's like wee shorter haired bristles. These wee shorter bristles are, I think they're called boar bristles, and these types of bristles are the best to bring out your natural hair texture if it's straight, curly or wavy, without like snagging the hair or tugging or causing any breakage. So it's actually really nice that it's a mixed bristle brush type situation. And then of course you just have the handle and it's a 360 rotation, so you can like twist and curl and add a wee bit of volume, wee bit of curl, movement, wave, whatever you want to do. As you can see, I already have it plugged in and we have 3 different speed settings and heat settings. We have low, middle and high. The first time, as I was saying, it wasn't that great. I wasn't that impressed, but it dried my hair really well, by the way. My hair was super soft and sleek, no frizz, no nothing. It was super easy. So I'm just going to be using some heat protector. So I'm going to be using the Joico Body Luxe Root Lifting Volumizing Foam. Okay, so I think I'm going to start off with the middle heat and the middle speed. I was going to turn my camera off instead of the dryer. So that's what it looks like without the roller. So as you can see, there's a wee bit of body just given at the roots there, and there's a wee bit of a curl and flick at the ends. It isn't necessarily like a wave, which this is not going to give you like a really bouncy curly wave unless you have a really long thick hair, I think. But for my hair, this is what I want. I literally just want a bit of body and a bit of movement and a bit of like a flick or a curl at the very ends of the hair. Like, I'm not wanting a wave or a curl or anything, but yeah, I actually quite like that. And obviously, as you see, the hair is really nice and smoothed out, no frizz or anything, and it's really nice and soft. So yeah, I'm actually going to do that again so I can then put the roller in. Okay guys, so we're on to the last section now. I'm actually so excited. So obviously we were rolling everything else kind of back the way, whereas now I'm going to be rolling forward, if that makes sense, because these are now going to be my front pieces. So I think with this section here I can get 2 rollers to squeeze in here if I use these wee ones, or see, I don't know if I'll get, yeah, okay, so I'm either going to have to use one of these or 2 of these, but I think I'm going to do 2 wee sections in here. Oh, I am honestly so excited. Honest to goodness, like I cannot be the only one that anytime I have rollers in, I get so excited taking them out to see what mess I've either made or to see how cool my hair looks. So that is my makeup done, and I think I've been sitting here for about 2 hours at this point, because I went and had lunch and I just sat on a full face of makeup, watched a couple of true crime videos. I've actually discovered somebody on YouTube, is it Kendall Ray? I'm absolutely obsessed with Bailey Syrian, but I'm sorry, but I cannot do 1 video a week. So I've been trying to find some other people that do true crime videos on YouTube, and yeah, Kendall Ray, so I've recently discovered her. It just means that I have the rest of the days of the week watching her videos and catching up with her videos. I'm actually so excited to see how this looks. I'm just so excited. I can't explain it. So I'm just going to first off take these wee clips out. Okay. Ah. Okay. Can you see? Is there much volume? Where do we go from here then? Do I finger it out? Do I brush it out? Do I... Do you know, something tells me it actually looks nicer at the back than it does at the front, so I'm actually going to show you the back. What does that look like? I can't see. This is probably the wrong thing to do by brushing it through, but... Oh my god, what even? I look like such a mum. Awesome. God, you know you're getting old whenever you're like, I look like such a mum. I love it. Do you know, okay, I don't know. I like it. I really, really do like it. I will definitely keep on using this wee brush, and I will definitely, obviously, if I have the time, I will use the rollers again. Do you know the one problem I'm having? I don't know how to style it. Am I better just using it with my, like, styling it with my fingers or brushing it out, or... So I suppose it depends what way you want it. Oh yes, yes, I really, really like it actually. Like, this is definitely something I was wanting to. It was just wanting a wee bit of volume there, and just like the wee flicks and the wee waves that I've been able to achieve. Oh, yeah, I really like it. I definitely do look like a wee bit of a Karen. I'm not gonna lie. A Karen or a Susan. But I really like it. I think if my hair was a wee bit longer, if it was even like below shoulder length, this type of style would look absolutely gorgeous. Because it has given me a wee bit of a flick, it's kind of shortened my hair a wee bit. And I think that's maybe why I'm maybe feeling a wee bit awkward. And I also have shorter sections at the front of my hair as well, so my hair isn't all one length, and I think that's like these wee bits here, like, what the fuck are you doing? Can you go back to your designated seating area, ma'am? But yeah, Yeah, I'm actually really happy. I really, really like that for something off eBay that cost me £16. I will definitely continue to use this. Definitely. I feel like I need to stop brushing it and combing it with my fingers, but I can't help it. If I just... I'm really, really happy. Well, I give these a twirl. Whee! I know this was a wee bit of a short and sweet video, guys, but thank you so, so much for joining me anyway, and I hope you all enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts. I don't even know why I ask you this, because I'm gonna do it anyway. I think this time next week I will be orange. My hair will be orange. Let me know if you want to see me do it, if you want me to film it in a makeup tutorial, full transformation, here I come. But anyway guys, as I was saying there, thank you so, so much for watching. Also don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter. There will also be a link to visit down below in the description box. I hope you're all staying safe and well. Please be kind, look after yourselves and each other, and I shall see you in my next video.